Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Yamaha with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, you need to click at the Add Device button. If you have Windows 10, you will have Add Device button at the top. So press on it. In this window you need to select Bluetooth. After that we can turn on the speaker and enter to prank mode. So press and hold Power button at the top. And if your speaker do not connect it with other devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically, and you know it by the LED light what blinking blue near to the solo. If you want to enter prank mode manually, when you turn on it, you need to hold this button longer until you will see that the LED light start blinking. And now we enter to prank mode, so we should see the speaker at the device list. Did we? Okay, click at your speaker and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!